Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max is coming not only alongside hardware upgrades, but also the upcoming device will launch with the latest version of iOS, which may introduce new software capabilities and system improvements. According to the latest available data, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max launch date, availability, pre-order details, and many other exciting details emerged. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is preparing for its next major smartphone launch, and attention is already turning toward to the premium flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The device will lead the iPhone 17 lineup, which is expected to include multiple models, such as the iPhone 17, the thinnest model iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and the top-tier model iPhone 17 Pro Max. The Cupertino-based tech giant has followed a steady schedule for its flagship releases over the past decade, usually hosting launch events in early September. Looking at this pattern, industry experts expect Apple to unveil the iPhone 17 Pro Max during the first week of September 2025. Reports also suggest that the announcement may fall in the week beginning September 8th. Apple generally prefers to hold events on Tuesdays, though it has occasionally shifted to Mondays to avoid clashes with other schedules. iPhone 17 Pro Max expected pre-orders and release timeline. If Apple maintains its usual strategy, pre-orders for the iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely open on Friday, after the launch event. That would place the pre-order date around September 12, 2025. Shipments and in-store availability usually begin a week later, which could make September 19, 2025, the official release date. This approach keeps Apple's tradition of offering customers a short window between announcement and delivery, which will allow early buyers to secure their devices quickly. As for the new smartphone characteristics, early reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro Max could see improvements in several areas. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to feature a more powerful processor, the Apple A19 Pro, a new upgraded camera system, and enhancements in display quality. Battery efficiency is also likely to improve, which aims to continue Apple's focus on performance and usability. As the Pro Max remains the largest and most advanced option in the lineup, it is expected to carry the most premium features. Apple's yearly flagship launches generally balance design continuity with performance enhancements, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to follow the same formula, but with new advanced features, hardware upgrades, and a new camera layout system. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.